Welcome, and for me is the Tecno Spark Go, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. To get started, you will need to open up your settings. From here, navigate down to Storage. Tap on the three dots next to the SD card right here, and you will see Format option. Once you press on it, it gives you a message that formatting erases all data currently stored on the SD card to avoid losing the data. Basically back it up. So yeah, now if you already made a backup, that's great. If you don't want to, that's fine as well. But obviously if you're planning to back it up, you'll most likely need to back it up to some other device like your computer or some other storage unit. I'm not going to be backing up anything, so I'm just going to jump straight away to erase and format, and this will automatically begin formatting it, which this process only takes a couple of seconds and should be, there we go, right about done. So click on the done button and that's it. The card is formatted and ready to be used once again. And with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.